Good morning. Today is Tuesday. No, today is Wednesday because tomorrow is Thursday. So I'm back to work straight morning day shifts, guys. So this video is I just woke up and wash my face done already, but my husband's still on bed. So I'll make some breakfast for us. And first thing first, guys, I'll put this, you look that's a messy at the back because I wash our shoes. I wash our shoes couple of days. I think that was Sunday. That was Sunday. So it's not nice the weather. It's raining, and then so I put it there. So a bit now dry. So before I start to cook our breakfast, guys, to make our breakfast. So first thing first, I put the dish to the exact place, to the cabinets. Alright, so I'll do it now. This was the pan that I made for us breakfast. So I just put it here. I'm always busy to my work, guys. So I'm just update you my life, the uploads, when my free time, during my day off, so I can edit the vlogs and uploads, and so that I can share you some ideas. So I could not upload about my work because it's confidentially and it's not really allowed, so I'm just when I'm home, and as long as I share you, I'm working, guys. So and then when have free time, so I do my vlogs, edit vlogs, so I waste my time for that. So for now, I'm happy because the last few couple of weeks, guys, so supposed to be my off is 5 days straight because I work 5 days straight also. So suddenly my companies call me to recover. Someone is sick there, and then I work also after tomorrow. So I could not rest in 5 days. So I just rest in just only 3 days something, and then I go to work. So for now, 3 days my off is I enjoyed already because no one called me to cover to work, something like that. So I'm happy for that. And tomorrow is Thursday's back to work and straight to the weekend. That's my bad morning weekends, guys. Schedules, weekends, but it's all money, 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 money. So that's, when you live in the UK, guys, so you need to work, 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 so that you can pay all the bills and you can buy whatever you want. That's my life. That's our life. So my husband is still sleeping. I'm just in the kitchen now, so I'll make it again to clean. So first thing first, guys, before he woke up, so I need to prepare all our breakfast, okay? So husband is wake up now, guys. I make our breakfast. Make it warm water first. So the fire is on. We don't have some olive oil, so I will buy that, guys. So I use that oil. bread. One for him and one for me. It's medium, but it's really big. Okay. Coming. Husband always just eat biscuits and coffee, guys. That's why pressure to eat some morning breakfast like this. Egg sandwich. Good morning. My 6 That's life in UK, guys. Work, husband, work, husband, work, husband. Yeah. That's nice. I will not put some ham, guys. Just only egg. So nearly done, guys. This for me.
move it to one more.
Yeah, I put it there.
No, lift it off.
Because I wipe the... Oh, that's warm the water already.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. How's the coffee?
Just 1 minute. I'm not yet finished. Your helper, your maid, not yet finished. Tino-toast ko lang guys yung ano, para mag-crispy. Yummers! That's our breakfast guys. Then we have milk. Fresh milk. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.